So Keith's going to do a Huen Sao with the dumbbells. The goal here is 20 repetitions, all right? Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video comes from our strength and conditioning. It's how to train your Huen Sao with weights. This is great for wrist strength and also helps greatly with your Lap Sao. But before we do that, I need you to go over to boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always. Thank you and have a great day.
Okay, our next exercise is using a Huen Sao or wrist rotation, but we're going to do it with a weight. So I would say you'd start with 1 pound weights, 2 pound weights, work your way up to a 5 pound weight. So Keith's going to do a Huen Sao with the dumbbells. The goal here is 20 repetitions, all right? Take 30 seconds to a minute in between, so he'll do 20 reps. The goal here is 6 sets of 20. So if you need to start with 1, or if your wrists are a little weak, then just do them empty hands. So again, this is wrist rotations using a 5 pound dumbbell.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.